Hey guys, I'm gonna make some pasta here. So if you look here, I got this pasta. This was on sale. I got an onion, got some pasta sauce. This one is a there you go. This Italian style meatballs. I'm gonna do a review of this. So I got this on sale. Pretty inexpensive. Take a look at this. Here's the NutriPanel, and the ingredients are ingredients are right here. You guys want to read that? Pause the video. So I'm gonna cook the pasta first, and then I'll make the sauce, and then I'll put the meatballs in there, and then I'll do a quick taste test of the meatballs. So stay tuned, guys. So we're gonna unbox this as well. Okay, so this is what the meatballs look like. All right, so I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna cook this up. Stay tuned. I'm gonna cook the pasta first, and then I'll cook the sauce. So cooking up the sauce right now, as you can see, with the onion, meatballs, and the tomato sauce. I'm gonna mix it up in a second. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'll be back. Alright, guys, so as you can see, it's all done here. I took just a little bit out of the pot, and we're gonna do a quick taste test. There's the meatball there. It's a pretty good meatball, and it's tender. It's pretty good. It's got some seasoning in it. But it's kind of small, so other than that, it's pretty good. Definitely check out Kushkov's guys, plus subscribe to the channel.